Since the dawn of the space race back in the 1960s, man's design for exploring and understanding the universe has surged, and with it an astounding progress in the technology that enables us to do so. Now, the technological tools for galactic pioneering have become quite astonishing indeed. That's why today, we bring you a list of some of the incredible tech for outer space that you didn't know existed. First on our list is the spacecraft made from an asteroid. Created by Project Rama, the asteroid is converted through robotic processes into a programmed autonomous spacecraft. This is accomplished by a seed craft that is launched into space to harvest necessary materials from space. These materials are used to add propulsion, navigation, energy storage, and other vital systems to the asteroid using 3D printing and other technologies. After successful programming, the asteroid gains the ability to travel to a mining station on the Moon, Earth, or other locations in space. This asteroid-made spacecraft would help us explore more of space, while aiding not only in the gathering of the required resources in space, but also in the discovery of new resources. Have you ever imagined shape-shifting into another person? Or do you only think the only place shape-shifting exists is in movies? Well, it's real now. According to NASA, the agency has financed the development of an amphibious robot capable of flight. And not just flight, it can also transform into different devices. Think about Transformers and how they change from their fighting form to super fast cars. In the case of the shape-shifting robot, it's made of small units called cobots, which can combine and morph into robotic balls, fire rays, and torpedo-like swimmers, depending on the situation. It can also morph to perform various tasks. And boy, it can work, from transporting large and heavy objects to covering long distances with minimal power. Do you know that some stars are bigger and brighter than our sun? Well, that's how bright some stars can get. And with the light they give off, it becomes quite hard to see the planets revolving around them. Imagine trying to observe the small details around the sun from Earth. It becomes quite challenging, and your eyes start to hurt. However, this 100-meter star shade is designed to match the position and velocity of a moving telescope. It simply casts a shadow over the star, and then we can see the planets around it. This way, we can learn more about other planets, search for signs of life, and discover more than we knew before. Spacesuits are at the top of the list when it comes to tech space exploration. However, the one we've used in the past tend to look cumbersome due to their size and weight. This is why NASA has been working on a much better suit, one that not only allows you to explore more of space, but also has self-healing skin in case of damage. This smart spacesuit is a hybrid, intelligent, and highly mobile EVA spacesuit designed to make space exploration much easier. The spacesuit features soft robotics that allows astronauts to move freely and interact with their surroundings, a stretchable, self-healing skin that protects the wearer, and integrated sensors that display relevant information about the environment to the wearer. With this spacesuit, our astronauts can experience less discomfort than they used to feel in the old, highly pressurized spacesuits. Today, there are approximately 100 million pieces of debris in space that are at least 1 millimeter in size. Now, at the pace at which spacecraft travel, even small flecks of debris can create damage to the craft. To prevent this, a brand new craft was invented. This craft is as thin as paper, but serves as a junk cleaner for space debris. It wraps around the debris and then brings the debris closer to the Earth's atmosphere, where it can burn up. The craft is said to be thinner than a human hair and features solar cells, a power system, communications, command and control, altitude determination and control, electric propulsion, and shape control systems. Mars is one of the planets we humans have been fascinated with since its discovery. However, astronauts can't breathe in the thin Martian atmosphere, so this raises the question of how this planet can support life. Now, if our favorite spaceman, Elon Musk, dreams of making this planet a habitat for humans, finding a way to make the atmosphere breathable is the first step to achieving that goal. For this purpose, a portable oxygen generator has been proposed. This generator uses a thermal swing sorption or desorption process to generate oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. While there have been other methods to breathe Martian air, this one uses 10 times less energy, making it suitable for the future that we, as human beings, intend to have on Mars. Last on our list is the optical mining of objects and places in space. While we've been able to explore space for some time, there's still much to be seen. To achieve this, a type of mining called optical mining has been invented. This type of mining harnesses the power of the sun to focus its light on asteroids. When this occurs, these asteroids are transformed into rocket propellants to fuel spacecraft. With this space-derived fuel, we can explore more than we ever thought possible. NASA states that this system might be just what we need to industrialize space as we know it. Although these devices have not been confirmed for use, just one of them could change the course of space exploration and the future of the human species as a whole.